Let me start my. Yeah, I started recording. See, in Duo app, you need to, some options will be there initially. So what you need to do here, just before this, we are having four options here. Check which option is working. This green color bar icon should come here. Okay, and headphones here. Speakers, headphones. Okay, you tried. Have you tried like this? Resetting permissions. Like just you can do reset permissions. Again, the permissions will come again. Can you check once? Or tomorrow I will check with them. Okay. Any other for any other application, like I will check with them. Okay. Yeah. Today's class, like yesterday, I explain you what is like how to open this JMeter and how to install the certificates in both browser like Chrome and also Firefox, and how to identify the scenarios. I said no, like how to identify scenario. So now in this particular class, just 1 second. Okay, I will share my screen. Just 1 second.
James,
So hi, Suresh. Yeah. So tell me. Oh, can you able to listen my voice, na?
actually, I cleared the interview.
Yeah, very nice. Yeah, thank you. And also sorry,
So
not thank you.
next is they are asking for some documents, and for client round, face to face interview is there. Round is over.
Hello, hello, hello. Is it fine? Everything? Others, sorry, we are speaking, but power cut happens here suddenly. Okay, sorry from my side. Yeah, congrats. Okay, so definitely this training will also help you. Okay, in your okay. Uh, Continue my class. Yeah, if you're facing any issue with speaking, now you can message in the box here. No problem. I think Rohit is yeah, very nice. Thank you. Then I will explain. No need to waste our time because time is very precious. In the earlier class, na, I explained you how many scenarios will be there. Okay. Now in this particular class, I will explain you how to record a particular scenario. Is everything is okay, na? Others, I think you can mute yourself, and if you're having any doubts, now you can explain to me. So you can unmute and you can speak.
No, for the interview, and they are telling that next round is face-to-face round. So, and
No. I
client.
think sorry, Adarsh. Now I think it's recording everything. It's better we can speak after some time. Okay, okay, because it is recording everything again. It's okay. So we can speak after some time. Yeah, let me open. You can mute yourself if you're not having any questions. Just I will open this JMeter, and it is just go to bin folder. Okay. Then in the bin folder, just open this Windows batch file. I think here Windows batch file is not there. Let me open one more. I think this is the 17th February. Here I will go to the bin folder. Just I will go for Windows batch file. Then open this Windows batch file here. Then open the Windows batch file. Because let me do one else. So initially I will explain you the scenarios, everything. Maybe whenever you're going for any interviews, this may help you. That's the reason I'm not going for theory classes initially. Once I will complete some portion of on JMeter, what is a JMeter, and this will help you. Okay, then I will go for some theory portion. Everything. What is a test? How to create test plan? How to create NFR? How to create strategy documents here? Okay. Then what is a web server? What is a app server? DB server? Okay, everything I will explain you. Once I will complete around 2 or 3 classes on JMeter fundamental record. Okay, fundamentals here. Now initially we need to go for we need to open templates here. So here templates will be there. Go for a recording template. Go for recording template. Okay. So go for a recording template. And in the thread group, initially I said earlier. So once we open this template, this is the template here. Enable enable the enable the record test script recorder. So this is most important. They may ask you which element will help you for recording the applications. Then you can say HTTP test script recorder will help you for recording the applications. Okay, for recording the application flow, everything. Now, They may ask you some questions like what is the port number. You can say we can use any port numbers here. Okay. And in my class, I'm not using recording controllers. I will remove this. I see very simple. Uh, I think others, please mute yourself. If you're having any questions now, you can tell me. Okay. Just remove this recording controller. Yeah, very simple. Just you can remove this. Right click on here and you can remove this recording controller. Very simple. Now I will see the flow of my application. I will see the flow of my application. Initial my flow will be. So this is the URL page. See, this is the URL page. Now I need to record this URL page in my JMeter with one transaction controller. I will explain you. Go to thread group here. So very simple. Go to thread group here. Right click on the thread group here. Add add logic controller. Add logic controller. In this logic controller, we are having so many controllers here. Each and every controller will have a specific function here. I will explain you in my coming classes what is each and every controller here. But as of now, I will explain you what is a transaction controller. Okay, so what is a transaction controller? Now, what is the purpose of this transaction controller? Na? One transaction controller will record one page. Okay, this whole page will be record. Yeah, someone. I think you're having any. Yeah, if you. Yeah, I think. Okay, no problem. See, this one page. This one page I need to record in my JMeter in one transaction controller. Okay, so what I will do, I can change the name. See, I will change the name. Just I will write you something like TC01. TC01 means like it is uh, thread group 1. It is like a naming conventions here. We can write like a naming convention. I will explain you what is the naming conventions, everything. Okay. TC01 underscore TC01 underscore URL. TC01 underscore URL. Okay, very simple. So one transaction controller will have TC01 URL. Means we are recording this page. Then I will go for one more page. Na? I will go to one more page. Yeah, this is one more page here. So this one more page I need to record. This one more page I need to record in one more transaction controller. Go to JMeter, go to JMeter, add one more transaction controller. Okay. Now see, for suppose initially before coming to page, this is one more page here. I will write one more page. TC01 TC01 naming convention underscore. Don't give any spaces here. Don't give spaces in the JMeter. Always try to give some underscore or something. I will write home page, because once URL will open, na, or will after URL home page will come. After URL home page will come. Now once home page will go, then where I will go here? I will go for sign in page. I will go to sign in page. So then I will add one more. I will add one more transaction controller. Now this transaction controller will be TC0 sign in page. You can write small letters or whatever maybe. Sign in page. Okay. TC01 sign in page. Okay. See, whenever whoever will comes like, and they will ask you do the performance testing for this application. So you need to see the flow of the application. You need to identify the scenarios. How many scenarios will be there? Okay. So this way, I identified one scenario. I'm going for this scenario. Now after sign in page, na, one more page is coming. Register page. So register page. So I will add one more. I will add one more transaction controller. So TC01, TC01 underscore. Okay, TC01 underscore. Oh, just 1 second. Yeah, whenever you are facing any issue, na, you can explain me. You can tell me. Uh, my mobile data was connected. Okay, so TC01 register page. So register page. Yeah, in this way, I identified 4 pages here. I identified 4 pages in the given in one thread group. This is one scenario. So what I will write here, thread group underscore register. So register. Okay. So register scenario. You can write register scenario. So register scenario. This is the one flow like this. In this way, we need to identify the flows here. Okay, now I identified all the transaction controller, one transaction controller for one page. Why I'm keeping like this? Maybe the client may ask you, need performance report page wise here. So then uh, that in that case, na, whenever we are recording page wise, this will be very easy. We can able to explain him, yeah, the response time for this URL page this much, the response time for home page will be this much. Okay, so we can confirm, we can explain them easily. Okay, that's the reason. Now everything is completed, na? I identify the scenario. Any other doubts now up to this? I identify the scenario. Everything I have done similar. Okay, again I will go to home page. Again I will go for URL page. This is why copy this URL page. Okay, copy this URL page. Now proxy setting. Now I will explain you how to do this recording of this application. For this purpose, now I'm using proxy Firefox. I'm using Firefox app here. Because in Firefox, the proxy settings will be very simple. That is the reason I'm using Firefox here. Here I think in go to settings here, certificate, certificates, view certificates here. I think I can able to see the JMeter certificate here. Okay, I can able to see the JMeter certificates here. Hmm. Actually, I'm checking for Wi-Fi. Yeah. Okay, I will see the certificates here, and I will check my security certificate. Okay, it is there. Then what I will do? Go to settings here. Write proxy. Write proxy. These proxy settings are most important. Why? Because JMeter will record the application by using the proxy server only. Let me explain you how it is recording. Okay. For suppose initially, this is my application. Yeah, this is my application. Okay. Now what I will do, I'm keeping a proxy here. I'm keeping a proxy here. And we are keeping like here one JMeter will come. JMeter will come here. Whenever proxy will on, whenever proxy will on, then through JMeter, the request will go to server. Okay. Then what will happen? The JMeter will record all the requests here. That is the reason we this proxy setup is most important. Here in Firefox now we are having two proxy actually. This will be browser proxy. I will show you what is a proxy. Then you can understood properly. Here see actually here two see here two. What for suppose I'm using system proxy. For suppose I'm using system proxy. Then I can open the Google or something. I can open JPEG store. See I can open JPEG store easily. Yeah, I think Rohit, you're typing anything? Can you can able to see the screen now? Hello, in the chat box. I think you can able to see now everything. Yeah, okay then. Thank you. Because I when I seen the mobile phone now, like I think you're typing something. Yeah, I think the recording videos are also available in YouTube. Okay, so you can share your email ID. They will send you all the videos. Now, so now what I will explain what I'm explaining like proxy settings. Na go to settings here. See here I now I can able to open my particular application. For suppose in the proxy settings, if I am using manual proxy, if I am using manual proxy, localhost, right here, right as it is, localhost, localhost, and port number. In JMeter, which port number I'm using here? In JMeter, I'm using 480 here. For some classes, I'm teaching very slowly. Why? Because you people are very new for this JMeter tool. Each and everything we need to learn slowly. See, I'm using port number 480 here. So in Firefox also, I'm using same port number and localhost. Localhost in the sense as I'm using my same laptop here, same machine, and I'm recording on my machine only. So I can say that it is a localhost. Then make it okay. Now open the JPEG store. Now open the JPEG store. Now open JPEG store. See, it is not opening now. So that is the purpose of proxy. So whenever proxy is on, and when we are keeping localhost, then nothing, not only for JPEG store, Google, no other websites will open here. This is called browser proxy in Firefox. But in Chrome, I can open. See, in Chrome, I can open. Because in Chrome, I'm not facing any issue in the Chrome. I can open freely. Okay. But one more proxy will be there. Go to settings here and you can see one more proxy. Go to proxy settings. If I will turn on this proxy server, if I will save, then our class will also disconnect because no browsers will work here. All the browsers will become offline. Okay, that is the reason I'm not using this proxy server. Okay, this will be the system proxy, and this will be the browser proxy. So I'm using browser proxy here. Yeah, I think I hope you understood how to identify the scenarios and how to add one transaction controller and how to do the setup for the proxy server in the Firefox and also the Chrome. Okay, in Chrome also similar way. In Chrome also you can go to settings here. You can go to settings here, and you can write proxy. You can type proxy. Then it will open the same, the manual proxy here. This will open the manual proxy. Okay. Now the proxy settings are completed in my Firefox. Now I need to record my application flow. Yeah, before recording of this application flow, there are some settings I need to do. Initially, which page I'm recording? Anyone can say which page I'm recording? URL page. So I'm recording URL page. So I will go for URL. Okay, I will record URL page. Then grouping. In the grouping, I will go for do not group samplers. I will explain you everything. What is this grouping and why this many groupings are there. Okay, that depends upon the scenario. For suppose I'm using recording controller, transition controller, both are same for recording the pages. Okay, but some small difference will be there. I will explain you both. Okay, as of now, just just keep do not group samplers here. I will explain you these settings we need to do. Then naming scheme. Go for suffix here. I will explain you why I'm going for suffix here. Okay, these settings we need to do. Now coming for this view result tree. This is one more yeah, maybe the new one which you never know earlier. The view result tree. Okay, so the okay, so in this view result tree, na, we are having, you can see we are having two view results tree here. These are called listener. These are called listener. Listener in the sense, for suppose, let me open my application. If I will open developer tool, if I will open developer tool, I can able to see na like each and everything, like which request we are sending and which response it is coming. In this way, I can able to see. So similar way in JMeter also, we need some elements here who will show each and everything. Okay, like what is the request, how the response is coming, everything. For this purpose, we are having so many listeners here. I will explain you slowly. We are having so many listeners here. These are all listeners here. We need to learn. No need to learn each everything. We need to learn at least 5 listeners here. Okay. As of now, I'm using only view result tree. This is one listener. You can write here. This is a listener. Okay. And why we are having two listeners here? I explain you na. The JMeter tool purpose will be recording for one user, replay for multiple users. Okay. So whenever I'm recording something, where I'm recording this flow of the page, I'm recording this flow of the scenario, then something should be there. I need to check how much I'm recording everything, each and everything I need to record. So then for this view result tree will be the recording. So this is called view result tree will be view result tree recording. Okay, here everything, here all the recording element, all the recording request will come here, and this view result tree will be the replay. For suppose I'm recording something, for suppose this class will be recording. Now for suppose this class will be recording, then once recording is completed, you will do replay again, na? You will do replay again. For suppose I will explain you this class for 1 hour, but the same class can be replayed by multiple users, multiple students, multiple professionals here. Okay, and multiple job professionals here, everything. So recording, we are doing recording only for once year. The same recording can be replayed by so many people. That is what JMeter will do. Okay, we are recording the flow of the application for one time, and we will replay for multiple times here. Okay, I hope you understood this point here. These are called listeners here. Now, here one file name is there, na? See, for suppose I'm recording something. I'm recording something. For suppose I'm recording. Okay, and they're sharing the YouTube videos with you. How they're sharing? They're sharing because of some name. Okay, that name should be there. Similar way, one name should be there, but this recording.xml file is not proper one. Why? Because this recording.xml file will be there in the JMeter bin folder. Okay, JMeter bin folder. The XML file will be there here only. You can check here. Something like XML file. Somewhere it will come. I'm not getting. mm, okay, as of now, I'm not getting this, but somewhere it will come. Yeah, this one. See, this is one. The recording.xml file. So whatever you will record, everything will come here. But I'm not. I doesn't need that scenario. I want to browse and I want to record in a separate file. Then I will browse it. I will browse and I will go to desktop here. I think I'm teaching here. Okay, JMeter February batch. Okay, so then what I will do? Yeah, here I will save the file name. JPET, JPET store, JPET store. Okay, JPET store. First recording. You can say first recording, or you can make it like uh, JPET store register. Okay, JPEG store register dot. You can name it like JTL, or you can name it like SML, or you can name it like CSV. Yeah, all are log files. These are all log files here. You can use any file, either JTL file or SML file or CSV file. Okay, dot JTL file. Okay, this will come, no problem. You can leave it. Now my whatever I will do the recording, now all my recordings will come in the JTL file. This recording file is important. This recording file is most important. Why? Because in future, whenever you will plan like to do some correlations, everything, na, I will explain you. This recording file is most important. Now just I will go to configure. Just go to configure, keep everything tick mark here, don't keep anything blank, just keep everything tick mark here. Now now go for HTTP test script recorder. Everything is okay, perfect. Now we designed transaction controller. Okay, and we given everything. We given the port number. We given the target controller. We will open the URL page. Everything is fixed here. And in Firefox also, we given manual proxy, and we given local host, and tick mark this HTTPS. Okay, everything is completed. Now I need to record. For recording purpose, na, just copy this URL. Copy this URL page. Just Control C. Now go to JMeter. Start. Why? See, now you can see. Now you can see. Let me. I will open you. I will open the JPEG store. It is open. It is opening in the Firefox. Okay, maybe it is not opening. Maybe the URL, just the URL open because of the cache. Maybe some cache is there. Let me open. Let me remove all the cache. Otherwise, this page will not open. How to remove this cache? Just open. Go to settings here. Clear cache. Clear cache data. Okay, clear. I think now I think it will not. It may not open. Okay, now it is not opening, na? See, now you can see it is not opening. Earlier it that opened because of some catchy. Okay, now it is not opening. Now very simple. I think today's class now I will explain you this scenario only, registration scenario. Then tomorrow's class I will explain you the product booking scenario. So two classes I will explain you two different flows here. Okay. Uh, Now what I will do, just I will go to start button. Very simple. Press start button. And every 7 days, I said, no, every 7 days you need to remove the certificate and need to install the certificate once again. See now this particular box came here. Yeah, I think someone you're asking me any question.
You have used the recording template for this?
Recording template. Yeah, it's right. I'm using a recording template.
Okay.
Okay. See now I started recording my application. Just I will do start. Then I will go to Firefox here. Now you can you can paste the JPEG store. See now with this it will open. So through proxy we are opening this particular application. Then JMeter will record each and every request here. Okay, it is taking time. Let me take. Okay, now you can see this page open. Earlier this page is not open, but now this page open. Now let me stop this. Now you can see in the URL page, you can see in the URL page, the requester coming, na? See, you can see the requester coming. Maybe some request, Firefox or maybe, but this request is important. See, this is JPEG store. You can see the server name, JPEG store. Path, you can see the path. And what is the get request? Okay. I think you can also open let me open from the Chrome. I will show you. Just go to inspect, go to network tab, then you can see which request it is. See, this is the request na, and this request na, like in the server name, your application name will come in the path. In the path, this will come here, and it is a get request. Okay, so it is a get request here. Yeah, others are it is let's see, others are Firefox. They are not related to our application. You can remove manually. You can remove. Just go to either you can disable, or if you're 100% confident that is not belongs to our application, just you can remove it. Remove.
काट खाएगा
Yeah. So tell me any other queries.
काट खाएगा
Yeah, no queries, na. Let me complete this complete flow. Then I will remove one by one. See now.
So
Yeah, yeah.
we recorded in the URL transaction only, but what about in other transaction? How to record?
I'm doing now. I'm doing now only. Okay, I think Rohit is also having some questions. Let me check. Yeah, you can chat. You can ask. Okay, you will ask me at the end of the class. No, it's better. Okay. Then let me complete the flow. See now for other now I need to record for home page. Na, what I will do? I will go to target controller. In the target controller, I will go for home page. See now home page. Now then I will start. Then I will start. Okay. Uh, Now again I will go to the Firefox here. Okay. Once see do this the flow. Once this uh, okay pop-up window will come. Now enter the store. Wait for some time until the page should open properly. The page should open properly. Now the page opened properly. See now you can see. Now you can see under the home page, the requests are coming. Yeah, no need to stop every time. No need to stop every time. Just go to this HTTP recording, okay, element. Now in target controller, go for sign in page. See, very simple. Before going to next page, na come come to JMeter, and as keep that particular target controller. See, now we are keeping sign in page. Say no need to stop. Go to Firefox here. Go to sign in page. Very simple. Go to sign in page. Now again go to target controller. Go to register page. Okay, go to register page. Again go to Firefox here. Go to register page. So initially in JMeter, we are keeping the target controller. Then we are recording that particular page. Okay, now in the register, now in the register, you can use some user ID. I'm using some user ID. Let me complete this one scenario. Then I will answer your queries. Okay. Now I'm using some user ID. Password, I'm keeping something. Okay, same password should be there. Okay. And in the first name, yeah, it is a demo application. I'm using something. There will be no issue. You can write. You can keep everywhere some different first name, last name, email ID. Email ID also you can write something. Okay, some email ID. Maybe in future this email ID may come. Okay, YNG and phone number.
Where to get the URL of the where to enter?
Register URL. This is register URL. Everything is recording in the register URL. And here target controller. See, come here and keep your option in the target controller register page. Okay.
Okay.
Then do all the process. Do all the process. Register yourself in this particular page. For suppose I'm giving some address here. I'm giving some address and I'm giving some city name. Just I'm giving some okay. Maybe that city name is not available. Okay, country. Just one. Okay, just a given something. Then I will save my account information. That's it. That's the registration completed. Okay, let me stop the recording now. So now you can see in the register page. See what is happening now. This what is the purpose of this HTTP script recorder? The purpose will be recording the application flow. Okay, and whenever we are recording URL page, I will keep URL, then I will record URL page. Whenever I'm recording home page, I will keep here home page, then I will record home page. Whenever I will keep sign in page, then I will go to sign in page. I will go to register page. I will go to register page. Then I will do the registration page. That's it. Very simple. 4 pages. Okay, and whenever I'm recording a particular page in target controller, I need to keep that particular page. Then I need to record that page. This is clear. This is clear now.
That something is not clear actually.
Yeah, you can tell me where it is not clear, like where you are getting some confuse here. Yeah, you can tell
So
me.
you recorded the request in each transaction, no?
Yeah, in each transaction controller, home page. This is home page. This will be sign in page. Okay, this is register page. See, in the register page, I given the username, password, everything. Is it everything is coming now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. See, just whatever the user will do, very simple. For suppose the user will do, he will go to initial URL page, he will go to home page, and then he will go to sign in page, then he will go to register page. So what user will do, everything the JMeter will record. Okay, but to make it very simple, to make it simple like page wise, we are keeping four transaction controllers. We are keeping four transaction controller. One transaction controller for URL page, one more transaction controller for home page, one more transaction controller for sign in page, and one more transaction controller for register page. Okay, then I'm recording, whenever I'm recording the URL page, I will go to I will go to this uh, I will go to this element here. I will go to the test script recorder. Here I will go to target controller. For suppose I'm targeting URL page. Okay. Then what I will do? Just I will drop down here and I will make URL page. Then I will start. Okay. Then I will start. Then I will record URL page. Very simple. I hope now it is understood. Then I will record URL page. Then once URL page is recorded, then I will go to JMeter. Then I will go for home page. Okay, see in the target controller, I will home page. Now I am targeting home page. Then what I will do, just I will go to home page here. A home page will come. Okay, I given some names home page. You can change the name, no problem. Uh, then I will go to sign in page. Okay, then I will go to my application. I will press the sign in page. Then all the sign in page request will load in the JMeter. Okay, again I will go to register page. Then I will go for a register now. And whatever I will do now, whatever I will do the registration process, everything will come here. Everything will come in the register page. You can see everything will record here. Okay, I hope this is clear now. This portion, how we are recording, how we are doing recording for one scenario. Is it
Mhm.
clear?
Yes, yes.
Just practice for one scenario. Differently, you will say that JMeter is very simple.
So
Okay,
the URL where we have to enter?
which URL here? This URL, no, you are asking about.
Yes, yes. Transaction URL. So here where you have entered URL?
We are not entering everything. We are this will record. This will record. See, when I will press start, na, when I will start press start and I will do the flow, na, this flow will record manually. We are not giving manually. Everything will come through automation through this tool only.
Okay, okay.
Okay, we are not keeping manually anything. Just we need to press start button. Then I need to go for the flow of the particular application. Okay, so then the flow will come, everything will come. See, now it is coming 404. Okay, so the flow will come. Whatever user will do now, the all the flow will come here. That's it. We are not recording anything manually, everything from the tool itself. Okay, just we need to do the settings here, like target controller setting, and the settings are enough. Okay, see, once recording is completed, now you can disable this. You can disable this. Only enable when we are recording. Now you can see whatever I recorded, now whatever I recorded, everything will come in this listener. Whatever I've done, my whole process, whole scenario, every like each and every request will come here. Each and every request will come here. Here you can check. See, this is one request here. You can see uh, which request you are sending to server. We are sending this request, and which response it is coming. You can see in HTML view. This response is coming. Is it right? This is the URL page, na? Okay. Now go to one more request here. This is one more request here. Home page. In the home page, this is one more request here. And in this way, you can see everything. This page will come now for whenever the user will go to register page. This page will come. Okay, and here you need to check everything. You need to check which request we are sending, and what is the response here. For suppose, here you here we are giving like something we are giving na, we are giving some username, password, everything. Let me check this. I will go to 40. See, 40 request. Maybe response is not coming. Maybe in the developer tool also response will not come, but in the request it will come. See in the see, you can see in the request what is the username I given. I given this username. I given this password. See, whatever I'm giving, everything will come here. So this data, for suppose you're using a Gmail account, whenever you will do the registration scenario for the first time, you will give all the details. Na? You will mention all the details. Okay, your name, your password, everything you will do. Similar way, we need to enter all the details here: username, password, repeated password, first name, last name, everything. And everything will come like a request because we are sending a request. You can see the post data. This is most important. Whenever whenever post data will come here, whenever post data will come here. So whenever post data will come here, we are posting something to server. Whenever get request will come here, we are getting something from the server. But whenever post request will go, we are posting this data. We are posting the username, password, everything to server. The server will send you some response here. Maybe here we are looking in HTML view na, in the server is giving some blank response. Maybe that is the JTL file. Maybe if you're having any doubts, you can open developer tool, and you can from developer tool also you can see. Yeah, this page is coming now. From developer tool also you can see. So here responses will be null, but we are sending a request here. Okay, and you can see in sampler result, you can see what is the response code. Whenever response code will be 200, that is a perfect proper one. Okay, whenever response code will be something, you can see something will come for 500, something will come na. That will internal server errors. I will explain you what is the response code, everything in future, in coming classes. I hope you understood what is the purpose of this HTTP text script recorder, and how we are recording the particular flow of the application. Okay, and before recording any page, so what we need to do, the settings here, we need to do URL setting here. Then I need to do the recording, URL page recording. Yeah, any other queries until now? Then tomorrow I will continue something more. Like you can ask me any queries now. Yeah, Rohit, you said you need to ask some questions. Yeah, you can ask me. My question for the day is one. How okay, how do I get entire portion of JMeter's course which you teach? Okay, so I think already in the WhatsApp group, they are sending YouTube link, na? You can open that link, YouTube link. You can open. All the videos will come. All the videos will come.
These are just general questions he's asking,
Yeah, yeah, general questions only. Actually, that's the reason. Okay. Yeah,
not
others.
related to technical.
Yeah, yeah, no
Technical.
problem. But he's facing some issue now because Joe app is blocked. He's unable to ask me any questions, and extra recording video is not uploaded. I think it's uploaded. You can check in the chat, bro. Okay, you can check. Yeah, others you can ask any technical about this class today. Is everything understood? How we are recording
Yeah,
this particular?
yeah. Actually, in the response, we will get it in the view results tree only, no?
Yeah, yeah, in the view result tree only. The response and request, everything. Like a developer tool.
One you have created two view results. Say one view results say replay.
Yeah,
One.
yeah, this what. See, I said no, like now I'm teaching my class for 1 hour. This is the recording class. But you will replay once again, na? You will replay one time, two times.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so this will be replayed. So tomorrow I will explain you how to check this replay. I want to run once again. I need to run once again. Whenever I'm running once, na, then in the replay everything will come again. I need to check replay and I need to compare replay and recording both are same.
Okay.
Okay, if both are same only, then I will go for running the script for multiple users. Okay, I'm recording. I will do recording with one user. Then I will run the same script with multiple users. That is my purpose here.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so tomorrow I will explain you how to replay this and how to remove unnecessary request here. Everything tomorrow I will explain you. Okay, just practice today's na. Just practice how to record this flow. Similar to my style. Maybe different styles may come here, but you can practice in my style here.
So the
Okay,
URL you will share from which URL we have to do the recording.
I will share now in the group. I will share. Okay, this URL. This is our demo application. I will share in the group. See the flow, how the flow will be. Similar flow you can do. Enter the store, sign in page, then register page. Same flow you can do.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I think how to unblock my cam and microphone. Let me. Okay, I think we can stop this recording now.